What's up?
What's up?
Diabetes. Come here, Tom. Come here, Tom. Ready, Tom? Ready? Really? Uh-oh. Diabetes. Diabetes. What? What's up, guys? How you guys doing on this lovely, sunny day? I hope you guys are having a motivational day. No matter what the circumstances is, you are a great human being at the end of the day. Don't let nobody stop you from completing your goal. Just keep on completing it. And just be who you are at the end of the day. Don't let nobody stop you from leveling up every day, because it's all about you. It's all about what you can compete in and what you can give back. You are a lovely person at the end of the day. Don't let nobody stop you from really being who you are. What? Here you go, baby.
What? Y'all, we got the baby just chilling today. I'm letting her get a little bit of air, y'all. Yeah. Where you going? Where you going? What? You gonna come play? Daddy all the way over there. Daddy! We love Daddy. Come on. We gotta go get Daddy. We love Daddy. Come on. Come on, we love Dad.
Come on, Daddy. Come on.
What is you doing?
You know how them things they be putting on things that you could just slide on? That'll be fire.
Bro.
I'll work on that later. But how you guys been doing though?
Wait, where did she just go? Oh.
But how y'all guys been doing though? I've been great, feeling good,
Come on, y'all.
living good.
Looking good. Smelling good. Zay! Waddy, go get your daddy. Go get dad. Your dad.
Diabetes. What is you talking about diabetes? I don't know. Stop. That ain't my problem, Doc. I've been trying to fix it on her for the longest time.
Baby, what do those? Y'all so nosy. We got some nosy kids. You going in the house? Go potty.
Diabetes. What do you do? I know I'm gonna build this on. You can't get on that. You can't. But how you guys, beautiful people, doing? Hope you guys are having an amazing day. It's cotton flying everywhere. That's how you know something's gonna hit. Dog, come here. Let me see. Come on. What's up, YouTube? How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are having a very motivational day, no matter what the circumstances is. You are a true, great human being at the end of the day. Don't let nobody stop you from completing your goal. At the end of the day, you are special. You are worth something. Just keep on building. Show people you can keep on climbing, keep on climbing, keep on climbing to be who you truly want to be. You are a very, very, very intelligent person. You can do the most incredible thing if you just keep on trying. No matter if you fall 10 times or 20 times, you're going to get up no matter what. You're going to get up off your feet no matter what. Just keep on going, because you are a lot. You do a lot for a lot of people. So you should show your worth, show your knowledge, show your wisdom. Don't be afraid to show who you truly are, because you are an amazing person. Don't let nobody talk down on you. Just keep on being who you truly want to be. Because you can do anything in this world. That goes for anybody. Anybody can do what they want, when they want. You just got to have the mind to keep on pushing you, or keep on pushing you every day, every day, every day. You got to keep on pushing every day, every hour, every second, every day, every day, every day. You can just become just a beast, a monster, but in an amazing way. The animal in you. Look in a mirror every day and always inspiration yourself, and always show inspiration to others as well, because you are a true great human being, an amazing human being. Just keep on being who you truly are, and that is a good person. Just I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope I'll see you next time. Peace.